Hello everyone, I'm Shwati and today I'm going to discuss about the top 5 things that I'm going to follow in the year 2026. And the first thing is my health because I value my health a lot and I want to travel the world with my body for really long years and years. So when my health is fine, like I think everything else seems easier. The second comes my work because it pays for me. So I want to fully focused on my work that I'm doing currently, and not just getting through the day. And I do not want to settle for the only one side of income. So this year I want to explore the side hustles, like my creative side hustles. I want to explore. Third important thing that I want to do this year is self-care and glow up. So this year basically I want to take my skincare seriously and upgrade my wardrobe. So basically I want to become the best version of myself I always dreaming about this year. Yeah, hopefully I'll be there. Let me see in the December. And the fourth thing is my hobbies. The world is moving very fast. Like we go to office, come back, cook food, and clean our room, and talk to our family or friends and everything. So in the middle of it, I do not want to, lose myself. So I want to do my hobbies like reading, writing, and painting. All these three that I do, I always find it very calm, composed, and it requires a lot of attention, more like a meditation. So I want to keep doing it at least once a week. And fifth is a very important thing in my life, like which changed my life's perspectives, my thoughts, and everything else, which is it travel. So this year I want to travel another international country. I want to focus because I love exploring the other cultures. So yeah, this is all about my 2026. Now tell me, what are your top 5 things that you want to do in 2026? And if you have not given a thought about it, like I think it is a right time and this is the sign to think about it, because it is always better to know like what you want to do rather than not knowing what you really want to do. So think about it, list it down and put them in the comment section. Let's discuss more about it.